Hoxe falaremos sobre os monumentos alrededor do mundo.
Today with us is Paula in the yellow microphone, Sandra in the red microphone, and Brunella in the black microphone. My name is Laura, and we are going to start with Paula speaking about USA and Italy.
That's right. In Italy, we have a very important landmark. That is the Colosseum. It was built by the ancient Romans. Then in USA, we have the Statue of Liberty in New York. Such a beauty.
I really love those landmarks. Pero agora imos a ver que se conta Brunella. She is going to speak about France and Australia.
Efectivamente, Sandra. In France, there is a fantastic landmark, the Eiffel Tower. In Australia, we have got another pretty landmark, the Sydney Opera House. Encantaríanos ir.
That's great. Now, Laura, please, I really want to know about your countries, Egypt and India.
In India, there is the magnificent Taj Mahal, and in Egypt, there are the pyramids of Giza.
Fantastic.
Coca-Cola
Plastic.
stick.
But my landmarks are also incredible. The Red Square in Russia and the iconic Big Ben in London.
Amazing. Despedímonos con la canción de Beyoncé, How Rule the World. Have a nice day.
Who run the world? Girls